Welcome to the Slow Home Studio. Today we're going to be looking at the floor plan submitted to us from Teju from India, and he had some questions about his dining space and his living space.
That's right. So we're going to deal with the dining space today and the living space the next time we meet. And so just looking at the floor plan really quickly, we had this designation as the living dining space. We had the kitchen, the entry, and then we have a stair that takes you up to the second level. And this is a very tight space to have both living and dining, and our thought is that we needed to move the dining space out of that and actually think about it as being part of that staircase space. So just to draw this very quickly, what I think we should be doing is thinking about adding a banquette seating. So if we just extend a kind of banquette seat that runs along the edge of that stair, we can then add a table there that we can move out so that it can go out into the garden, as Teju suggested, for outdoor dining, and then three movable chairs.
Now what's interesting is Teju also sent us a 3D model of his floor plan, and so we thought it would be an interesting exercise to take our plan idea and to do a little bit of work on the 3D model and show you guys what we came up with. So this is the base condition, and as you can see here are the stairs that are going up to that second level. This is where the kitchen would be, and this is the space for living and dining, and we're suggesting putting the banquette right there. So in order to build this up, we have to do a few architectural details. So what we thought we would do is we thought that we would make a solid back to the stair, and on that we would float a piece of upholstery that would act as the back for our banquette, and then a bench for seating. And we thought you could also be really clever and make that operational, like some of the stair details we've seen recently, for a bit of storage. And then, of course, you finish it off by putting in a light fixture. We propose the bocce fixture here to ground the space for the table, and then float the table off of the banquette, and then finish it off with some chairs.
All right, so that's our suggestion for dining, and when we get together again, we will talk about what we suggest for the living space.
See you Friday. If you're interested in learning more about the principles of slow home design, you can pick up a copy of our book entitled What's Wrong with This House? It's a practical guide to finding a well-designed and sustainable home. It's available for sale on the Slow Home Studio website. It's also available for sale at Amazon.com in both paperback and the Kindle format. Welcome to the second course in our Slow Home Fundamentals series.
In this two-part online course, we're going to show you how to apply the slow home philosophy in the real world in order to start making smarter, more sustainable choices about where and how you live.